Jellyfish have drifted along on ocean currents for millions of years, even before dinosaurs lived on the Earth. The jelly-like creatures pulse along on ocean currents and are abundant in cold and warm ocean water, in deep water, and along coastlines. But despite their name, jellyfish aren't actually fish, they're invertebrates, or animals with no backbones. Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Inside their bell-shaped body is an opening that is its mouth. They eat and discard waste from this opening. As jellyfish squirt water from their mouths, they are propelled forward. Tentacles hang down from the smooth bag-like body and sting their prey. Jellyfish stings can be painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous. But jellyfish don't purposely attack humans. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish, but if the sting is from a dangerous species, it can be deadly. Jellyfish digest their food very quickly. They wouldn't be able to float if they had to carry a large, undigested meal around. They dine on fish, shrimp, crabs and tiny plants. Sea turtles relish the taste of jellyfish. Some jellyfish are clear, but others are in vibrant colors such as pink, yellow, blue, and purple, and often are luminescent. The Chinese have fished jellyfish for 1,700 years. They are considered a delicacy and are used in Chinese medicine. The life cycle of free-swimming Semaeostomeae jellyfish typically consists of 3 stages. A sessile polyp stage asexually buds off young medusae from its upper end, with each such a furrow growing into an adult. The adults are either male or female, but in some species they change their sex as they age. In many species, normal fusion of egg and sperm results in an embryo that is brooded in the gut of the adult until it becomes a ciliated planula larva, but in some this development takes place in the sea. After the planula larva leaves its parent, it lives for a time in the plankton and eventually attaches to a rock or other solid surface, where it grows into a new Semaeostomeae. Such a life cycle characterizes the order Semaeostomeae, which contains some 50 species of mainly coastal water jellyfish, several of which have very wide geographic ranges. Included among these are members of the genera Olea and Chrysaora and the big red jellyfish, Tiburonia grandro, one of only 3 species of jellyfish that lack tentacles. The order Coronatae includes about 30 species of mostly deep-sea jellyfish, often maroon in color. A deep circular groove delimits the central part of the bell-shaped body from the periphery, which is divided into broad flaps, or lappets. The marginal tentacles are large and solid. Some species are known to have a Semaeostomeae stage, but the life cycle of most of the forms has yet to be described. The coronate jellyfish are the most primitive of the present-day Semaeostomes and are thought to be descended directly from the fossil form Coronatae, which flourished between about 180 and 600 million years ago. Some of the known sessile stages form branched colonies, which were once separately identified under the name Stauromedusae. The order Rhizostomeae includes some 80 described species. In these jellyfish the frilly projections, or alarms, that extend down from the underside of the body are fused, obliterating the mouth and forming a spongy area used in filter feeding. Marginal tentacles are lacking, and the gelatinous shell is firm and warty. In species whose life cycles are known, there is a typical, benthic, bottom-dwelling, Semaeostomeae stage. Most members of the order are vigorous swimmers. Species of Cassiope, the upside-down jellyfish, however, swim infrequently and sit inverted in tropical shallows, exposing their photosynthetic symbiotic algae to sunlight. The group Rhizostomeae is found mainly in shallow tropical to subtropical seas in the Indo-Pacific region, but members of the genus Rhizostomeae, also called football jellyfish, often inhabit cooler waters, and Cotylohizza is common in the Mediterranean. The fourth order, Stauromedusae, comprises some 30 described species of non-swimming, stalked jellies. These species occur chiefly in cooler waters. They are goblet-shaped and fixed by a basal stalk. The mouth is situated at the upper end, ranging from 1 to 10 centimeters, 0.4 to 4 inches, in diameter. The body has a tetradiate design and typically bears 8 clusters of tentacles. Some species can detach and resettle. Stauromedusae usually feed on small marine animals and live for several years. Development is direct from a larva into an adult. The polyp stage is suppressed.